Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find privacy privacy settings of any accounts on your accounts on Snapchat. Easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on shots, and now choose any shot you want. Hold on it like this, and here you're gonna find privacy settings. Click on it. Here, as you see, you can manage your privacy settings. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.